Hello guys, if you are a fan of cold email outreach, this video might help you a lot. This is my current CRM, you can say, this Google Sheet. I put businesses or prospects email, their website, and their other information where if it is necessary. This is our first scenario for our first cold email outreach. What this scenario does, once I added prospects email address, their website, and other things in this Google Sheet, I can change this status here to validate. Once I click validate, our first scenario got activated and it will run through and it will create a very personalized email for that prospect, and you can draft it, or you can in this case I send that email straight away because the prompt I'm using is really cool here. And of course we have another cool scenario for follow-ups. The first route here is it runs every morning at 8:30. You can change the timing, and this scenario look for the sheet when the first email were sent, and it will filter through all the prospects if first follow-up is already sent or not. If not, it will send first follow-up. If first follow-up is already sent, then it will send second follow-up. And again, of course, you can change the timing for this scenarios, and for this CRM I put the first follow-up will be sent after 2 days, and the second one will be sending after 6 days of first email outreach. This is really cool. This is brilliant. If you want this two blueprints, just comment outreach and I will send it over to you, or you can just contact me for the setup, or if you need any help with that. So thanks for watching, and stay connected, stay tuned. I'll be sharing some more amazing works out here, so subscribe my channel and let's do some brilliant works here. And of course you can change the prompt according to your business or your name, and you can change the validation dates and stuff, and you can change the email prompt also.